This year's Thanksgiving cocktail is Espresso Martini. Bottoms up and fire in the hole. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Really slow. A 20-pound turkey in the deep fryer. That's the man in charge of the turkey. I have some more in the kitchen when you need it. And there it goes for 45 minutes. Okay, get the turkey out. We're hungry. Ooh, there you go, turkey. Cool. Hey. That looks good. Nice turkey. Oh, I did the sides. Look at all that. Look at my gravy. Homemade. Green bean casserole. Here's the turkey. And here's my stuffing. Raspberry pie, cheesecake, pumpkin cheesecake, mashed potatoes from scratch in the iPod, butternut squash. Woohoo! Happy Thanksgiving, man.